matagal hanggang mawala ang ating oil change. So ayun guys, successful yung pagtanggal natin. Hi guys, welcome to JL the Hobbyist, and for today's video we're going to show you how to remove the oil change indicator to our motorcycle panel. So let's go. Alright guys, so ayan po ang ating vehicle, which is our Honda Click 150i. So we're gonna teach you how to remove that, as you can see, oil change indicator sa ating panel. So ayan guys, so turn off muna natin. So kailangan at least naka-open yung key at ilo-long press natin. So we have to long press the set button. Ayan, long press. Then we're going to turn on our motorcycle. So ayan, take two. So yan. So supposedly dapat naka-open yung ating yan, naka-key. Then i-long press natin yung set button. Then magkasunod, i-open natin. Matagal hanggang mawala ang ating oil change. So ayun guys, successful yung pagtanggal natin. So ganun lang kadali guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Then syempre of course, we're gonna discuss, i-share din namin sa inyo kung paano, dahil na-reach na natin yung ganitong so siya na, itong motor natin na-reach natin is 1,832 km, which is yung 15225. Dahil nag-change oil na tayo, nag-change oil na natin tong motor, so set naman natin yung next na palalabasin natin yung oil change para to remind us na kailangan nating mag-change oil sa ating vehicle. So ganito lang guys, long press lang natin si select button at si set button, sabay po sila, then makikita nyo mag-blink si time. Yan, so ibig sabihin pwede na tayo mag-edit sa ating panel. Next is mapupunta siya dito sa ating R, yun ang next mag-blink. Next is yung minutes, and dun na sa ating kilometer dito sa oil change. So ang sagad natin na set is 6,000. So select lang natin siya. Mali, sorry, take 2. So punta tayo dito sa yan, kailangan para sila nagbi-blink yan para ma-set natin, and select. Pupunta siya, unang is 500. Ayun yung first change oil natin. Next is 1,000, 1,500, and 2K. So dahil tapos na tayo sa 1,500, ang next na natin is 3K, kasi ang range is 1,500 to 2,500. So ganyan natin. For example, gawin natin is, next natin is 3,500. So yun lang, set lang natin siya. Then select the set button para at least pag na-reach niya yung 3,500 na kilometer dito sa ating vehicle, dun pa lang lalabas si oil change para to remind us na you need to mag oil change ka na. So madumi na, malapot na yung oil. So yun lang guys, so set natin. Ayan, so ayan, lalabas yung oil change na yan once na ma-reach natin yung total na kilometer is 3,500. So yun lang guys. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.